Hey guys, it's Yani.
I'm Fabio again, once again, as usual, boring.
This is our third video of the day and we're exactly wearing the exact same shirt, matchy for the third video. And today's video, we're going to be rating one of the Blackpink members. Finally, all the requests. We've been getting a lot of requests about this.
So many DMs. We're so over it.
Yeah, so we're finally doing it. So we're checking it out. Who is she?
You can stop sending us DMs about it.
As you can see by the title, it's gonna be LaLisa's Instagram.
Yes.
LaLisa.
Is that her name?
LaLisa.
I feel like her voice is this. I'm LaLisa.
She's a girl. She's a girl and she's Korean. So I think it's gonna be like LaLisa.
No, it's my name is LaLisa.
Before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and without further ado,
let's get right into the video.
check out our Instagram as well.
Look at this beautiful Instagram. Wow.
So this is Fabio's Instagram.
Amazing. It's because Yani took all the pictures. That's why. Amazing. Especially the video right there.
Go ahead, follow it, and you can also follow me.
Look how many people are following me.
Okay, Fabio. So now let's go to LaLisa's Instagram. Who is she? Like, we are so curious now because many of you have recommended this.
13 million. Wait, billion?
Bitch.
13 million.
No. It's not. 13.7 million.
I think this is the most. She's
following
zero.
nothing. She's following nobody.
Not even her mother.
No, not even her group mates. Nothing.
She has no heart. She's like, no,
I'm not following nobody.
I'm not following. I'm the leader.
Not even Beyonce. Not even Morrison.
No one. Very few posts. She has 100
posts. So this video should be short. So let's go through it. No caption, no bio. It's just Lisa, heart.
A black heart and a pink heart.
A pink heart.
That's it.
I'm not sure if that's her YouTube channel. We're not gonna check it out now.
I have to say that's a very fierce profile picture.
It is. That's true. That's
like
true.
Strong light.
Bitch, look at all this. Each photo has like at least 1 million likes.
Oh my
At least
goodness.
2 million likes. How to be you.
How to be you for real.
First photo, black and white. Dazed, Korea. I guess it's a magazine. 1.9 million picture.
Million likes.
Tyra would hate this because Tyra always says no neck monster when you're modeling and you don't see the neck. Anyway, but it's cute.
But
she looks cute.
Actually, I have to say I love the pose.
Look
I
at
like
that.
the pose.
Look at the makeup. She's not. It looks like it's a very natural. She's not using any makeup.
She looks very skinny.
She does.
Very skinny, and she has long fingers like me. Look.
I like it. It's like high fashion fingers. Oh, this is the color one. Okay, she's actually pretty. All jokes aside, she's actually beautiful.
Yeah,
I like it. I actually like the blonde hair on her.
it looks very nice. She has a relaxed face. She's like,
And still the face has no makeup.
wow.
This face has still no makeup. I like the top. It's like ruffles.
Yeah, she used that skirt. She just pulled it up, and that was her top.
It's a tutu. I actually like her face. Look at her. She's so fresh because there's no
Very nice.
eyeshadow. There's no contour. Maybe a little.
It looks like there's a lot of brightness on her face.
It's probably direct flash.
Like-
So this is behind the scene concert, I guess. Wow, who's this person commenting the exact same thing? I don't know why
Oh
they're
my
not
god.
being blocked.
Oh.
There's so many of them. So each person comments the exact same thing.
That's why she has millions of comments, because it's the same person.
Oh, look
shit.
how cute her microphone. Wait, is she going solo? Is she leaving her group behind? Oh, it's a nice outfit.
Nice,
Off
very
the
pop star.
shoulder, very pop star. You're right. So she is actually pretty. Okay, let's give that to her. She's actually pretty. I like the blonde hair. I like her lips.
The red.
She's cute. I want to see a video of her talking to know her personality a bit more.
It looks like she knows how to pose too. Because this can be totally a picture taken like out of the blue. And she's like, yeah, I know how to pose.
Cute.
Very Christmassy outfit.
Where
does
was
she live? Because
She's from Korea. Blackpink. Okay, there we go. So I guess this one's her. This is her.
Yeah, that's totally her.
Santa
cute.
Claus is coming to town.
Look at these earrings. They're big.
Yeah,
just like
what
her
are those
face.
earrings? I thought those were like braids.
They're like hula hoops.
Oh, is she filming the Mean Girls performance?
Looks like she's very young.
She has big eyes. Oh, she's doing the thing. Of course
but
she has to do
She
the
has
thing.
so long fingers that her heart is like this.
It's wide. Oh my god, that cat is creepy.
He looks scared.
I hate cats. I'm
like-
sorry.
I love cats.
I'm scared of cats. Oh, it's gonna scratch her face, no? Wow.
Ooh, I love this one.
Is this a music video?
Hopefully it was not at rush hour. Otherwise they must have hated her.
No, she stops traffic. She crossed the streets and she's like, you need to wait for me.
Yeah. And she's gonna walk very slow. She's
Yeah.
mean.
She's
like,
one of those, like...
walking slow. She's like, yeah, and I'm gonna look at you in the eyes as I cross the street. La 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 Lisa. La 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 Lisa. La 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 Lisa underscore.
Oh, I think her hair here is a bit redder. Look at her fans. They be commenting.
Wow.
I don't know why it's not blocked by Instagram. Because usually algorithm automatically blocks. Oh, she has a rainbow. That's not rainbow. Is that her?
Wow. Oh, she's licking the Christmas tree.
Is that her? She looks different from this angle.
Yeah.
I wonder why her eyes are so big and bubbly. Yes, gangsta.
Wow. What Yani always tells me not to do when I pose for Instagram, he's like, don't stop covering your face.
But she's LaLisa. She has 13 million followers. Who cares?
Wow.
It's a cute beanie.
Cute beanie, yeah.
How can you just imagine having like 13.5 million followers? What would you do? It's like if RuPaul would say, she'd be like, with great power comes with great responsibility. It's not. It's just a picture. I wish it was a
So
video
she doesn't
too.
post videos. She doesn't want us to know.
Well,
her
maybe there's
voice.
videos. We just don't know yet. She loves the Polaroid picture.
She does.
Like, how are you gonna post it on Instagram?
Ooh, that's a nice outfit.
That's a
like
lot of change.
Reptile.
That's a lot of change. She's doing the pose.
The millennial pose.
The millennial pose. She's doing the millennial pose.
I started to hate this pose. I'm sorry, guys, but I don't understand.
All
this
the
squatting.
millennials, all the kids nowadays are doing this pose.
I'm like, what are you
squatting.
doing? What are you squatting?
It's actually a nice pose. I should do that. Is that her?
Oh, it's a wig.
A
though.
different hair. Oh, there's another millennial pose.
Oh, cute.
I love her. I actually love her whole persona. It's like she could be a high fashion model because she's so skinny. Where is this? She never tags the locations.
Never. She
Is that
doesn't-
champagne? Oh no, I thought it was champagne.
Wow, her
Ah.
hair is long.
It's long.
I would be curious to see her with a different color because this is a bit orangey. It's like a strawberry.
But look how
blonde.
pretty she is. Look at that. That smile. See, that's a black hair.
Oh,
Or we're not sure if
maybe
that's
it's not her.
Yeah, that's not her. Sorry. Yes. Who's this
Whoa.
white man?
Wow.
Is that her boyfriend? Millennial pose. Squat.
With these squats, you need to be careful. Oh,
Video.
Lisa.
Oh, I think we saw this.
Oh, so he's a dancer.
Oh, right. I think we saw this. We learned that she's a good dancer. Remember? Hey.
Yeah, she can move. Oh, I love the guy. He dances very well.
Oh my God, she can do hip hop. Yes.
Damn.
She got rhythm.
Well, she'd better have rhythm. She's a singer.
Not everyone can dance like that though if you're a singer.
I know.
Look at that. Like she can actually perform.
Wow.
And I love that she's a K-pop star and she's open into other
Yeah,
genres
I
of
love
music.
it.
It's so nice. Wait, of course, I'm actually impressed, genuinely impressed by her. Like she can actually dance, and I love dancing, so I can tell who can dance for real. Oh, I'm scared of birds. I don't want that. I'm scared of everything.
Oh, it's like a very Ariana Grande pose.
If I were to do a photo shoot like that, though, I would never. Are you ready for the concert?
Look, the bird is about to scratch her eyes off.
Exactly, so don't.
like,
Birds are dangerous. She could be so cutesy.
Wow.
Oh, W Magazine. W Korea.
They were like, in that picture, go back 1 second. They were like, hey, you're gonna wear a dress, and then you're gonna wear a coat, and then you're gonna wear a purse. They used it
Throw
like a coat
everything.
rack.
Oh my god.
Wow.
I can't see her. She turns sideways and she disappears.
She's like gone.
She's so skinny.
She's a line.
I love it.
Her name should be Lala Line.
Lala Line. It's probably a typo. I think it's Lala Line. Oh, she's an Instagrammer. She takes picture of the food first before eating it.
And she's wearing a beret.
But she's wearing
and
a
she's
beret.
wearing. She seems surprised. She's like,
Look how skinny she is. I can't get over how good looking she looks. Squat, 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 squat.
her knees must be sore. Girl, you'll get it 30 years old, your knees will be busted. She's running.
Aww.
She's crossing the street, guys.
I wonder if people recognize her. Oh, this is New York.
She's so good when she crosses the street.
Why?
Wow, look at her.
I'm obsessed with her hair. I'm not sure if it's all hers.
Probably.
Oh, it looks hers. It looks like it's all her hair.
That video showcased how she crosses the street.
Yes, basically in New York.
In New York.
She did not look left or right though.
No, she
Not
was
a
like,
good
"I'm
example.
done."
Hey, I'm obsessed with her dancing.
Yeah.
Can I watch it again? Alex started, Alex dollar bills was my pen, bitch I'm signing. She can dance. You can't deny that.
I'm not denying any.
Look at that. These are not like 1-2 steps easy move. These are like performance moves. This is planned too, because look at the angle of the camera. It just keeps on changing. Wow. Hey, hit the quad.
Cool. Yeah.
I'm obsessed with her. She's very
She dances
good.
very nicely.
She's hip hop. She's very good. Was that other team member from Blackpink dancing with her? Is that all them? Lisa X Crazy X Academy. I'm obsessed with her dancing. I'm sorry. Oh, it's the same song.
The same one.
But is it the final video then?
Yeah, it's the same one. Look.
I can't stop watching her. She's so good. I think I have a new obsession now. I'm gonna stalk her after this video and watch more of her. Yeah, she's rocking really the strawberry blonde hair look.
Yeah.
Oh, I like the polka dot. She looks like Minnie Mouse.
Okay, that was a nice video. Surprise!
Okay.
Surprise! Surprise me, La La Line. Wow.
I'm obsessed with La La Line now. I love La La Line.
We nickname her.
I love La La Line. La La Line is because when she turns around, it's a line. She's so skinny. She looks good. She can dance, and that's all that matters.
Moves very well.
She dances very well.
Yeah.
Anyway,
That's awesome.
thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you all next time.